gonna take some of this beautiful red ribbon. You can get this at any craft store. Kind of like to wrap it around like a candy cane. Just leave a little bit of space between the ribbon.
Then we're gonna fill in the colored part that's still left.
Yeah, just wait and see. I'll show you. A few more rounds here. And then once you get to the very end, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just take my scissors and then I get a nice little cut. And then I take some of these fake flowers and I just yank it off right there. See this little end? And then I take this little pointy end and just poke it right in there. Yep.
And the pool noodle kind of material is perfect for
Yeah.
just holding it right in place, yeah?
Nice little upcycle foaminess. And it just stays right in on its own. You don't even need glue. And I just kind of do every other space.
Okay.
Kind of space them out as evenly as possible.
Yeah, I see what you do.
Gives it a nice little spread.
Okay.
There's the other. And then I take some of this wreath. And then in these little open spaces here, I like to fill that space and just wrap it around.
That's why you did every other one.
Exactly.
And now you're just fitting in the space.
Yeah. So we're gonna take all these extra little things that are sticking out and then kind of just fold it over, make it look nice. That way it kind of peeks through. And then I have these cute little things. Just adds a little bit more texture to it. And I find any little space and I just stick it in like so. Here. Little space here.
So any extra pool noodle space, that
Yeah, like a
I
little
see, there's
crack, you just kind of fill
Yeah.
the space. And I found these little fun things as well at the craft store and I figured I'd incorporate it. So instead of poking it, I'm just gonna slide it right underneath this green part and it should hold it right in place.
So this you're sticking under the wire.
Yeah, it doesn't have to go in the pool noodle. And it just adds a lot more of that like fun little sparkly energy. And then same thing, just like slide it right underneath. Gonna put the last piece in here, finishing touches, and then here is the final result.
Wow.
Yeah, let's go hang it on the door. And here is the final result.